Okay, sorry this is late. Because this video is late, I will be making the new deadline for the homework Monday rather than tomorrow, Thursday. So our first page of questions, we've got some triangles. None of these triangles are right angled, so we're not using SOHCAHTOA, we're using either the sine rule or the cosine rule. This particular one, we've got a pair here, and we can make a pair here, because if this angle is 55 and this one is 88, then this one must be 47. So I now have two pairs. It doesn't matter which way I label. I'm going to make this one A and this one B and this one C. A, B, C. Because I've got two pairs, I'm going to use the sine rule. So I'm doing it for a side, so I'm going to do B, which is x, over sine of angle B equals A, which is 4.5, over sine of 47. There we go. So, in order to find out what x is, I need to remove this division. So I multiply to find x. I do sine 88 multiplied by the fraction. And when I put that into my calculator, wrongly. When I put that into my calculator, I end up with 6.14. Okay. Moving across to this triangle here, again not right angled. I'm trying to find an angle this time. I haven't got two pairs. In fact, I haven't got any pairs because I don't know any angles in this triangle. It's going to have to be cosine rule. So let's remember, always try and make the side that you're finding A, or the angle that you're finding A, and then B and C don't matter. So A, B, and C. So the cosine rule is A squared, cos A, finding an angle, cos A equals B squared, 2.8 squared, plus C squared, 4.7 squared, minus A squared, minus 6.7 squared. And then we divide that by 2B C. You just put that into your calculator, and that gives you minus 0.76. Now obviously that is not the angle, so what we do now is we remove the cos, we do cos minus 1 of whatever your answer was. Now I rounded, as I'm sure you did, so make sure you do keep this in your calculator and you do cos minus 1 of your answer. And when I do that, I get 139 degrees. Our third triangle, we want to find the value of z. Again, not right angled. No pairs, because this would be my only pair. I don't know any other angles. We're using the cosine rule again. This time we're going to use it for sides. So again, make this A, which means that this is A, B, C. So A squared, which is z squared, equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times b times c times cos of angle A. That went off the page. There we go. And again, you just put that straight into your calculator, which avoids any faff of getting things wrong. If you had this on a non-calculator paper and were told the value of cos A, then of course you would need to work it out. You would need to work it out by hand, as it were. But when you don't need to, then why bother? Right, 169 seemed very large for that triangle. Luckily, we then noticed that this is z squared. If z squared is 169, then z must be 13.